I almost skipped the INNOCN gaming monitor 2K QHD. 2 weeks later, I am glad I did not. You'd be mad if you wasted your hard-earned cash on a mediocre monitor that doesn't deliver, right? The truth is, this thing is a game changer. With its impressive 4.2-star rating and over 1,100 reviews to back it up, it's clear the masses agree, INNOCN gaming monitor 2K QHD is the real deal. So what makes this monitor stand out from the crowd? Let me tell you, it's those 3 features that will blow your mind. First off, we've got the fast IPS panel. And by fast, I mean it can refresh at a blistering 320 Hz. That's buttery smooth display for all you gamers out there. Think about it, no more janky animations or laggy gameplay. This baby's got the tech to keep up with even the most demanding games. Next up, we've got the ultra-high refresh rate itself. This thing can hit frequencies of 120 Hz, 144 Hz, 165 Hz, 180 Hz, and even 240 Hz. That's insane. With a response time of just 1 millisecond, you'll be able to play without any annoying ghosting or blur. And let me tell you, the difference is night and day. Last but certainly not least, we've got the graphics quality itself. With 1440p resolution and a whopping 99% sRGB color gamut, this monitor is an absolute visual treat. Imagine playing your favorite games with colors that pop, contrast that's on point, and a picture so sharp it'll make you feel like you're right there in the action. So who needs this? Well, if you're anything more than a casual gamer or even just someone who likes to stream their gameplay, then you need an INNOCN gaming monitor 2K QHD. Think about it, with this monitor, you'll be able to crank up the graphics settings without breaking the bank on a new rig, and still deliver smooth performance that'll leave your viewers wanting more. Now I know what you're thinking, there has to be a catch, right? Well, here's the thing, yes, there is one teensy flaw. And it's not even a major one. The stand can be a bit flimsy on occasion. But let's be real, it's not enough to dare to dream, right? All joking aside, this monitor is truly an impressive piece of tech that'll make you wonder how you ever managed without it. If you appreciate reviews that do not skip the downsides, subscribe. See you next week.